Hello, this is Heather Taylor, and this is my submission for CS50W's Capstone Project. What I've created is a website called Book Tracker, which allows users to log and record information about their books and their reading activities. One important note is all user information is kept separate between the users. So what you will see in this video is just one user's library and information. So this is the landing page, and if we go to my library, on this page it displays all the books that I own. It is paginated by 12 titles at a time, and it's also alphabetized. Up here is the search bar. I can search by title, genre, or author. I'm going to search for all the mystery books. I own 2 mystery books, it looks like. If we go to finish books, it has all the functionality of the library, but only shows books that I have finished reading. On wish list, it shows books that I'd like to read or borrow. Also has pagination once there's enough titles, and you could search once there's more than one title. As you can see, each book flips over, showing the title, the author, and the genre. And then you can go to a book's page where you can see if it's in the library. In your finish list, you could change these. I could add it to the library if I finally buy it, and you can rate the book once you read it. You can also make notes about the book and save those. Once you've read and rated a book, you can see on your top 10 list which are your favorite books, which are the highest rated, and those are listed 1 through 10. Also down here at the bottom, you can see which book is rated the highest in each genre. I also have a reading diary where you can choose the title that you're currently reading and write a note about it. I already made a note about this one. It says, I'm on the first chapter. This is looking great so far. I don't think I need to say all that. I want to edit it. Using JavaScript in the code that pops up, and then I can save it without reloading the page. And now it just says I am on the first chapter. You might be wondering how you add a book to this website. You can add it manually or from the Google Books API. I'm going to add this book by Agatha Christie. It's a mystery. I need to say what the image URL is. I'm going to say I own this book, I finished this book, and I'd like to add it to my wish list. Add this book, and it takes me back to the library where you can see it has been added, also in finished books and the wish list. I also would like to add a book from Google Books API. This time I'm going to add Angels and Demons. And then it pops up. I chose this book because it started with an A and I know it has pictures. The pictures from Google Books API are not great, but I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to say I own it, I finished it, and I'm going to add it to my wish list. And then here you can see it appears, finished books and wish list. I'm going to rate this, and then there were none. I'm going to say this one is a 10. Going to rate this book, and then when we go back to top 10, there it is, number 1, and in mystery, it is also the top mystery. I'm going to log out, and I'm going to show you what it is like. You can register, but we have already registered, so we're going to log in. This time I'm going to log in under a new name, or a different name, and show you their profile. So this is Christian's library, and he owns, you can see, different books than I do. He has different finish lists, different wish list. He hasn't started his wish list, so it's telling him he needs to add some books. And he only has 5 books, so he only has 5 in his top 10. This is how the website looks on a mobile device. This has been my project, and thank you for watching my video.